Hi fellow learners. So today, because maraming nagre-request ako mga kaibigan, I decided to finally record a tutorial for Binance Liquid Pool. Alright, so hindi natin papag-usapan kung ano yung liquid pool. There are plenty of resources on YouTube kung ano ba itong liquid pool. This will be a no-nonsense tutorial kung paano i-execute yung liquid pool. No? So before that, I'd like to mention that we do offer up to 40% trading fee discount should you want to use Binance as your broker. So simply scan the QR code or type bit.ly CryptoCal uppercase CCW to get the discount, the trading fee discount. No? So this evening, meron lang tayong dalawang goals. The first one is for us to receive additional tokens no, as reward. So ibig sabihin habang naka-invest tayo, meron tayong natatanggap daily, in my case, more than once a day, na additional tokens. And that token can keep on appreciating in terms of value and even the invested amount or the invested token or yung principal, so to speak, that you have, tumataas din yung value on top dun sa additional tokens. No? So dalawang ways yan to increase our ROI. Also, if you want to learn more free sessions or learn more in free sessions, pwede kayong mag-visit dito sa mga links na to. All things stocks and all things cryptos and cryptocurrencies. And of course, if you want to copy trade me on eToro, you can always check pop near. All right, so that aside, let's go to Binance. First things first, you have to up your security level. So hover your mouse here and go to identification. By default, naka-basic lang, no? So upload your documents for intermediate verification sa advanced, hanggang advanced lang kasi grabe naman ka advanced pro, no? So pang ano na yan, 250,000, 2.5 million monthly levels, no? So sana ganyan, umabot po tayo dyan, ano? So at this point, I want us to check finance and go to liquid swap. So dito sa liquid swap, pwede kayong pumili ng pwede nyong investan na pairs. No? In other words, if you put in here BTC, so lalabas dito if you want to invest in Bake BTC or Cake BTC, you're going to receive this yield, no? 11% per year, 17%, etc., etc. No? So, etc. tuloy, etc., etc. All right. Pero naka all pools kayo, no? If you want to invest only in stable pools, kumbaga lower yung risk, no? Kasi liquid finance is not risk free. So if you want stable returns in terms of your principal and your token payouts, click nyo yung stable pools. So ito lang, dahil stable siya, stable din yung chill lang yung returns, 2.7%. No? So I often go to innovation pools. So mas matataas yung returns dito. At this moment, isa lang yung naka-liquid swap ko, and that is CTSI, which is one of my favorite projects, no? Because it is a blockchain agnostic tong Cartesi or Cartesi. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Maybe Cartesi. Favorite na pero hindi alam. Cartesi. CTSI na lang na para simple. This one is blockchain agnostic and pwede siyang gamitin ng BNB, Ethereum, Elrond, etc., etc. So it can um, allow interoperability across different blockchains. Yun. So if you want to invest dito sa CTSI BNB, you're gonna get rewards plus the appreciation of your investment. No? So just click liquidity. May pa-quiz to 10 points. No? So papasa naman kayo, madali lang yung quiz. If you don't know the answers, just comment sa video and I can help you with a cheat sheet, I think. So tap liquidity. Over here, you will see 16.43 yung yield. No? And just choose add CTSI plus BNB. Kasi pag ito lang or ito, may slippage, may fee, so I don't choose one. I choose both kasi liquidity swap, kailangan mo talaga ng two currencies. So just click this one. And then at least 5 down yung kailangan mong CTSI. So lagay tayo ng 10. Yan. And then, so wala akong CTSI, bibili tayo later. your balance is not enough. And then, kailangan mo na equivalent 0.018. Ni-round up ko na, 0.018 na BNB because you need to invest both currencies, no? So, kailangan natin computein 10 na CTSI is equivalent to, kano na ba CTSI ngayon? 0.76. So, ni-round up ko na, no? So, CTSI is 0.76. So, 0.76 times 10. Kasi ito yung amount needed, no? Times $51. Ni-round up ko para hindi tayo kapusin. So, kailangan ko ng 400 pesos for this one. So, I need 400 pesos for 0.018 na BNB. Ano na ba ang BNB price ngayon? BNB is 450. Round up ko ulit, no? Okay, pero okay lang yun kasi kapusin tayo. Calculator. So, $450 times yung required mo na BNB, 0.018. 8.1 times 51 pesos kasi syempre dollars, no? So 413. So sabihin natin 450 na lang din, ano? So 450 PHP. So kailangan natin ng 1,000 pesos. Round up na natin. 1,000 pesos yung minimum. So anong gagawin natin? First step. Step number 1. Buy USDT equivalent to 1,000 pesos. Okay, pero bibilin ko 1,500 na para alam mo yun, may pasobra, no? So, let's exit this first dahil wala tayong CTSI and BNB. Punta tayo kay Buy Crypto and I'll use credit debit card para mabilis, no? Click. And I'll be buying 1,500 worth of USDT. So kung mabilis, ganun talaga kaya may pause, rewind button, ano. So you can pause, rewind, kung saan kayo medyo nabilisan. Okay, and then dahil dyan, I will pause share muna. Tapusin ko, I'll just click continue because I'll be entering my card details, no? I don't want the world to see that. All right, confirming. All right, so ngayon nakabili na ako ng USDT. So makakatanggap ako ng 28.11 USDT. All right, processing. So now I want to check if pumasok ba yung USDT na binili natin, ano? So $28 yun. 28.11 USDT yung binili ko times 50 pesos. 1,400. So lugi kagad, no? But that's fine. Ganun talaga. So I want to go back to the homepage, click Binance, click your wallet, go to Fiat and Spot. No, if you go to Fiat and Spot, you can search USDT. So ayun, pumasok na yung $28 natin. Tama ba? $28. 28 times 50. 1.4. So yan nga yung kanina. No? So pumasok na yung order natin ng 28 USDT. No? So step number 2, convert USDT to 10 CTSI and buy pala, no? To CTSI worth 400 PHP. So ayan yung 10 CTSI, no? Nasa taas na. So hindi ko na susulat. Nandun naman sa taas. Convert to CTSI and BNB. Alright, so now we do that by going to trade and clicking classic. So once you click classic, dito i-type nyo kung ano yung gusto nyong bilhin and kung ano yung meron kayo. No? So I will type what I want to buy, CTSI, and what I have, USDT. So I'll click this and I'll scroll down. So I want to buy 11 CTSI para yun nga, may pasobra tayo. No? 11 CTSI yung needed kanina, minimum of 10. So I'll buy 11. And I'll do market. Kasi kapag ka market, kung ano yung prevailing price, yun yung bibili mo, no? Okay, USDT. Sige, ilang CTSI ba mabibili nito? Let's check. 400 PHP, no? So, i-compute lang natin. 400 PHP divided by 51. So, mga 7 or 8 USDT. So, gawin nating 9 USDT. Okay? Alright, so I'll buy CTSI. 3, 2, 1. Click. Ayan, must be greater than 10. Okay, 10. Kaya nga, nagpapasobra ako talaga kasi may minimum. So, 10 USDT. Saktuhin na natin. 10 USDT for CTSI. I'll click buy. Click. Ayun, so nakabili na ako ng 13. So, dito nyo yun makikita, no? Sa order history. So, meron kayong CTSI na nabili. 9.9 CTSI, no? Sorry, 13.13 13.3 CTSI, no? Yung nabili ninyo. Okay? Now, bibili tayo ng BNB. So, ito may check na to. So, done. BNB na lang yung kulang natin. Convert na natin lahat, no? So, ano yung gusto kong bilhin? BNB. Ano yung meron ako? USDT. So, I'll click this pair and I'll scroll down. And then, I'll simply slide this para makabili ako ng na-click ko ba? Ulitin nga natin. Okay, na-click ko naman. Para makabili tayo ng BNB. So I'll be able to buy 18 BNB. Pasok naman yan, ano? Kasi 18 times 50, 900. Eh, ang needed lang naman natin, 450. In any case, I'll buy, i-exhaust na natin itong remaining USDT, no? For BNB. So click. Yun, so meron na akong both CTSI and BNB. Now, we are bound to do step 3. Go to Finance, Liquid Swap. Yan. So go to Finance and then Liquid Swap. Click. And then we have to search CTSI. Lalabas yan dito and click Liquidity. So now we can add both. No? So I'll be adding, I have 14 CTSI right here. So 14.53 CTSI. Sagarin na natin. Just click maximum. No? And then, oops. So click maximum CTSI and then yung BNB automatic na nang i-compute. Kaya kailangan may pasobra kasi minsan kinakapos to eh. Meron ka nitong first currency pero wala ka nitong second currency. Hindi mo may execute. No? So, maayos yan. So, perfect. No? May matitira pang BNB. So, I have read and understand and agreed to the terms, etc., etc. So, I'll add to the liquidity. No? So, if I click this, click, so added successfully. So, nakapag-add ako ng 14 CTSI and point something something BNB. Okay, now, if I want to check, no, ano na bang itsura ng investments ko sa Liquid Swap? So, just go to wallet and go to earn just to check kasi part siya ng Binance Earn program, parang gano'n, parang deposits style financial instrument. So go to swap over here. Again, wallet, earn, and swap. So makikita nyo rito sa swap, medyo malaki yung nilagay ko, pero maliit lang to sa iba. So $8,279, tumubo na siya na 143. Kahapon ko lang to nilagay dun sa excess fund. $143 na yung tinubo niya. Plus, meron pang additional tokens na binibigay. No? So, nandito yan sa claim rewards. So, if I click claim rewards, meron pa akong claimable na BNB additional and CTSI. So, parang every 2 hours may additional rewards. No? That's how liquid swap uh, works kasi you're basically increasing the liquidity in exchanging CTSI BNB. So ito yung parang bayad sa atin for lending our liquidity to the system. No? So I'll claim the rewards, click, mapupunta na yan sa spot wallet natin. So kahapon hanggang ngayong gabi, ito na yung total na na-claim ko, $4.4. Yun. So you go to your wallet, you go to your fiat and spot, and i-check nyo, dapat nandito na si additional CTSI. Baka hindi pa nagre-reflect, mga 5 minutes. Ayun, nag-reflect na pala. Or baka hindi pa, I'm not sure. So basta may CTSI na nag-reflect dyan, kasi kanina minax natin. So supposedly zero na to. No? And yung BNB, I'm sure may natitira pang BNB dito kasi hindi natin na-exhaust lahat kanina eh. So dyan, mapupunta yan dyan. Ano? So in other words, we were able to achieve our two objectives. Number one, receive additional tokens by claiming your rewards. And number two, nag-appreciate pa rin naman yung inilagay nating pera no, as part of the CTSI BNB liquidity. So that's it basically. If you want to screen capture this, you may do so para may guide kayo sa step by step. So I hope you enjoy your rewards claiming every now and then within the day. Click that, claim rewards, and see you fellow learners. Thanks for your time.